Today I'm going to show you how to make this box with dovetail joints using the router joint. Follow the instructions, make the jig, and then you can make dovetails any way you like. As I said, if you enjoy these videos and if you think you're learning something, then please like and subscribe. If you just want to knock out some drawer fronts or something for a bit of joinery that you're going to make, then this is ideal for you. Right, let me show you what I'm going to use. So you will have seen the router table before. So what I've got is I've started making the jig. So I've got a piece of timber, a bit of 1-inch ply, sliding back and forwards on a mitre track. I've got a dovetail bit, which is a 7-degree dovetail bit, and I'm also going to need a 1/4-inch flute as well. So what you'll see is I'm going to continue to make this this jig, and then once the jig is finished, then I'll start knocking out some joints. Stop. Okay. Perfect. Let's have a go. There you go, it's getting somewhere. Unglued, unfilled, few gaps, few splits. Not too bad for a first go though. Right, so we made the jig yesterday. Let's have a go at making the box. I'm going to go through how to use the jig in a bit more detail. But first, let's cut 4 pieces down. Let's use face side, face edge. Mark it up. Looks like my side. That looks like a better side. This is the face side. Face edge. That looks like the face edge. This is the jig. So to do the tails, use the centre. It's set square. You pop the router bit through the depth or the thickness of the material of the box thickness. Then use some spacers. I've got 5 spacers because I want 5 tails. Let's cut the tails. And to do the pins, we use 1/4 inch bit, and we use these angled sides, not the square side. So let's get this 1/2 inch bit out. Right, there you go, dovetail box. Yeah, I'm going to put a bottom into it, I'll put a groove in. Lovely. Right, damp cloth, and then a plane down in the morning. We just put a bit of timber on the bottom of the vise, keep the oil off it. Right, so when you make something like this, you're going to get, when you're sort of firing it out and everything, and you're doing it on a router, things are going to chip out and stuff like that. So what you can see is it's just the tiniest little gaps and stuff, and they're a bit too big for the glue. So what I do, make my own filler out of the glue, and then fire it in there. So if it's not that important, then don't worry about it. But if you're trying to make something look really pretty, you got to get some filler that's the same as your timber. So what I do is generally get an offcut of the timber, sand a bit off, mix the sawdust with the glue, then you've got a filler that will match the same colour. there you have it. Finished box. I think it turned out quite well.